SRBWIPL stands for Sail Rides Bengal Wagon Industry Private Limited, which is the joint venture company of Sail and Rides, a Maharatna and Miniratna company respectively. Discipline is part of our culture. Attendance of all employees are registered through biometric system. Our working starts after 2 minutes meditation. Materials Management Department functions round the clock to ensure materials available just in time with right quality, right quantity at right time.
Production system is the backbone of SRBWIPL to meet the requirements of customers. The manufacture of wagons involve integration of underframe, sidewall, end wall using welding process, lock bolt fastening and protecting the surface of the product through proper application of paints after surface preparation according to the specifications. These fixtures minimize the distortion of final product. No other manufacturer in India have this kind of special hydraulic fixtures for wagon manufacturing. Manipulators are used for welding the sub-assemblies like underframes, sidewalls and end walls all around without disturbing the items. This ensures welding are completed without any distortion. Integration of underframe, sidewall and end wall called boxing. Body manipulator is used for welding the body in downward position by maneuvering the fixture. Roller bearing assembly. Integration of wheels with bogie frames. Wheeling, which is nothing but integration of wagon body with bogie assembled with wheels. Shot blasting is painting and lettering is done according to specifications.
Quality head strongly believes that production is first, but quality is must. Maintenance is the backbone support to the production chain. With a dedicated team and proactive approach, the availability of machinery and plants are ensured all the time for production.
The core strength of SRBWIPL is its employee skill and cost focus.
Compliance with statutory requirements is vital aspect of any business. Company secretarial functions ensure that all the corporate, industrial, and social security laws are strictly complied with. Financial management and working capital requirements are lifeline of any business organization. Our finance team ensures perfect alignment with the organizational goals.
SRBWIPL believes in working in teamwork. There is a sense of mutual respect and admiration among the fellow colleagues. We try to perform our tasks and targets in a cooperative and coordinated manner.
Sale Rights Bengal Wagon Industry Private Limited Kulti is committed to fabricate and manufacture wagons that are safe, reliable, to meet all the safety and operational standards, to comply with integrated management system requirements and continually improve its effectiveness, to continually improve the quality of services, to control and prevent pollution, injury and ill health in working environment, to comply with applicable legal other regulatory requirements and provide transparency, to provide eco-friendly and occupationally safe and healthy atmosphere for all employees, to improve competitiveness through continual improvement by educating employees in all areas and achieve leadership in market we serve. Thank you.
My dear colleagues, the families and children. Very good evening and greetings for the day. I am once again most privileged to stand in front of you and share the information on performance of the company and the strategy for the growth. As you all know, in the last year, the company has made a recorded turnover of 217 crores